Good morning, everybody. It's Julia Hurley here, owner of the Just Homes Group of Keller Williams Real Estate, coming here today on our Monday motivation for some bold laws today. One of my favorite ones here is be, do, have. And there are so many people every single day out there that say, if I just won the lottery, I'd do some great things. If I just had $1 million, I'd do something great. If I could just be like this other person, my life would be so much better. So I'm coming at you today because I want to speak with you about what it takes to get what you focus on to expand, and see if we can't get you to focus on what you need to be to have the things that you need to do to get the things that you want to have. Because as you know, all year long, we have been focused on eradicating entrepreneurial poverty. We have actually brought in 20 new realtors into this office over the last 12 months who have all changed their lives and their families' lives over selling real estate. It is that simple. When you're around the people that you need to be around and you have the motivation that you need to have from the people around you who are also successful and the support system that you need, you can be anything that you want to be. You can do anything you want to do. You can have anything you want to have. So if clarity is power, what is it that you want to be? What do you need to do to get there so you can have the life that you need to have? My friends, we want to help you do that today here at the Keller Williams office. Give us a phone call. We would love, 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 love to speak with you about providing your family financial freedom for the future. My cell phone number here today is 865-237-7328. Come join us here at Keller Williams at the Just Homes Group. We are looking for talent. We are looking to bring you on board. Let's provide some clarity so you can have some power on your future today. Thanks so much for visiting our Monday motivation. Let's get started on this week. Bye.